Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, it's another collab with Favorite Mart. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful balloon garland with a ring stand. If you guys want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. So eFavor Mart sent me a couple of items. They sent me the ring stand, the balloon boxes for the letters, and also balloons that I chose. I was very impressed about the balloons, and they're good quality. I did not lose any single balloons. And yeah, I really like the product. It was very easy to use, simply to create that beautiful garland. What I did is that I tied 2 balloons together, different sizes, and then I attached 4 balloons together and then twisted on the ring. And then what I did is that I created an ombre effect, starting obviously by the darkest color and working with the lighter all the way up. And I really liked the effect that it gave. It was very fast to do, faster than a normal balloon garland using a strip or fishing wire. So that was very easy to use. And also for the baby box, I had a little bit of a hard time figuring out how to put the box together, but at the end I did figure it out. And what I did is that I have my own Cricut machine, so I created the letters myself, but you can also purchase the letters from their website. And yeah, that was pretty much it. It just gives a nice wow effect with just a simple ring, and there's so much you can do with that. All of these products are available in the website. I'm gonna link everything down below so you guys can go ahead and see where you can find it. And actually their prices are pretty good also, so I was very surprised about that. So yeah, if you guys liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.